Hello everybody, new boot day. I've never asked this before, but I do ask that everybody please like and subscribe. I will have, this is a Wesco Boss unboxing. I will have 2 more Wesco videos coming up. This one is a rebuild. I shouldn't say that yet. Look what it is. Open it because I have 2. I sent out 2 rebuilds to them at the same time. Okay. Shoot. Okay. So this is a Wesco Boss. It's a 9109 last. This is the same pair that I had rebuilt in the last few videos that I did. The size, if you remember, they didn't put the outsole on them, and they didn't put the heel on them last time when I was going through the sizing process. So somehow, very surprisingly to me, the size changed quite a bit after they actually finished the boot. So what I expected to be a perfect fit wasn't. And so they told me to, they told me on the phone to go ahead and break them in so that we could get the best idea of how to change that up. So I did that. We decided to make the left one 2 widths smaller, but same size, and the right one 1 width smaller and a half size longer. Plus, they did a bump out on the toe box. To give me more toe room width without ankle width, and to increase the length just a little bit. So these look as I expected. It looks like they relasted it, which is fine. I was expecting, I did order a Wesco Super Sole, which is a relabeled Dr. Soles in a half sole. So this was supposed to be a half sole this time instead of the white X that I got last time. I don't know why that is. Maybe they reused this outsole, although I didn't think that was possible. I think I've read and heard that even if not used or worn at all, that soles can't be redone. But I don't know. We'll see when I start breaking them in, how they feel. It's a +1 on the heel, which is what I did last time. It's a waxed heel. Last time I said unfinished or natural, I said. And with Wesco terminology, I didn't realize this, but that means nothing at all. Instead of just looking natural, like some sort of a clear coat. So this time I asked them to wax them, which looks real nice. I'm glad how that came out. Like I said, +1 heel, 9109 bump toe last. So I'm gonna, start wearing these and see what I think, and I will give an update in the third video. The second video is a rebuild on a harness boot, same size as this. So they should fit exactly the same as this. I thought they would have come with these. I thought both were done at the same time, but I have not gotten a shipping notification on that. I held on to these a week before opening them, and thinking that maybe I'd wait until both came and do one video, but I still haven't gotten any notification on when those will arrive. But I do a second video when those arrive as an unboxing. And like I said, I will do a third video talking about how these and the others do after some break-in, and maybe a little bit more story on my overall experience with Wesco on these builds and any future builds that I may decide to do or decide not to do. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next two videos. Take care.